my name is Arletha Washington. Most of you know me as Lisa. I am a new District Manager Level 3 from Atlanta, Georgia, and my team, Beauty Boss Nation, and I completed the qualifications last month in March of 2020. I have been asked multiple times, well, how did you do it in this difficult environment with coronavirus and in this difficult economic season that we find ourselves in? First of all, there were many different parts to it, but I think looking back, there were just 5 little things that contributed to the big outcome. So about 7 years ago, when Zoom first came out, we started utilizing Zoom as our training platform. And so my whole team was already familiar with it. It's now the #1 app in the world, but we've been using it for 7 years to do our team meetups. And also about the same time, I started incorporating a little bit of training each week on how to build your business on social media. And so because that was already there, because the infrastructure was there, because we talk about it every week, none of my team members were intimidated by it. The second thing is that when we were at National Conference in February, we made a decision that, well, we've been close to DM3 several times, but we just never hit it. When we made a decision in February, okay, in March, we're going to hit it. Number 3 is that we then planned it out. And it was pretty detailed, and everybody volunteered. And so based on that, each person thought that they could contribute. We mapped it out. But of course, things never go to plan. So that brings me to the 4th reasons. Even though we had a plan, when we hit a wall, we made adjustments. For instance, we were stuck at 13,000 and for days and days and days, nothing was moving. And so finally I said, this is silly. If the plan we have in place is not moving us, then let's move it. Let's do something else and move it. And so I sent out a video to my team members, about 19 minutes, and then all the managers shared it. And then I sent out a 5-minute video for customers, and all the managers shared it to the consultants who then shared it with their customers. And so once those 2 videos went out, the needle just moved fast in. So we adjusted. And then, of course, the 5th reason why we were successful is that we just worked until the end. We didn't stop when we hit challenges with the internet, and we never considered throwing in the towel. We knew that one way or the other, if we kept our attitude good and we worked through the challenges, we were going to be successful. And so there you have it, the 5 reasons why we were able to pull this off in one of the most difficult economic months of the year was those 5 little things. So there you go. Hope this was helpful. Bye-bye.